Okay, we're back again. This is the mash tun internal temperature, which is reading about 164. We're going to call that good for test purposes. Of course, the recipe will determine what we want our strike temperature to be, temperature of our grain we're going to add, and so on. But at this point, we're still recirculating. The liquor ton temperature is about 169, about 100, almost 170. I got up to about 172 before I turned the flame off. So in the last 12 minutes, it's taken to come to bring this temperature up from 140 to 160. What did I say? 4. So about 12 minutes, and we pulled about 3 degrees of temperature out of the liquor ton. Of course, that's your mileage may vary. It depends on how much liquor we have in at that temperature in the ton, how much mash water we have in here, and so on. But that's what it took for me. It turned out to be much more efficient to heat the liquor water and then turn on the recirculation through the herms and bring the heat over here. It was actually more efficient and would have taken a lot less time based on the final test I did anyway, to bring it up that last 20 degrees. So anyway, the status right now is that we're still recirculating. The wort pump down there on the right is still running, and you can hear it. And our recirculation is still happening through our herms. Now, at this point, I would turn everything off and mash in, put my grain in here. I'm not going to do that today. This is just a wet test. But this valve right here is the one that I would use to control, and I got a little bracket to put on there to keep that from moving. But this valve controls the herms. So I've just recirculated now, so it's going directly back into the mash tun. Coming out at the bottom, through the wort pump, back up, through this valve, which I can still control the level, the flow rate. And if I need to bring heat in, I can, and I'm not going to do it with one hand without those brackets on there, but they'll go here and hold it in. Then I can just selectively recirculate in order to keep that temperature right where I need it to be in my mash. So right now we're simulating our mash, and I'm going to actually turn everything off. Well, I'll keep it recirculating just as it is now, and I'm going to see how long it maintains that temperature. See if I can maintain an hour without using the herms. Be back later with another update.